My name is Chin Bin Yan. You can call me William. In this video, you will get know more about me. What are we all waiting for? Let's go! Well, years ago, one of my uncle, called Uncle Jian Xing, found a photocopy version of my family genealogy. He read the genealogy and decided to have a family meeting. In the meeting, they wanted to gather all the family and the relatives by start a first family banquet. After that, Uncle Jian Xing and his wife went to vacation to China as well as visit our hometown, which is Kaiping, Siyi. Surprisingly, they found an original copy of family genealogy. They brought the original family genealogy back to Geningau, Sabah. After they back, the first family banquet was held at last. There were almost more than 170 people come to the banquet. It was happened in a well-known hotel called Hotel Perkasa in Geningau. At the end of the banquet, they took the first family photo, and every family get a photocopy genealogy which they copy from the original one. So, our family get one of two. In the genealogy, it says my grandparents came from China, Guangdong, Shiyi, in 1940 due to the recent escape from the World War II. They moved to Sabah, Geningau and built their very own house by wood. After settled down, they decided to think something further to improve their economy. With the money they have, they opened a small grocery shop. Years after years, the money they earned was getting more and more. With the sufficient income, my grandparents decided to donate their money to primary school for the purpose of build a school gate. After a few years, a road was named under my grandfather's name. Besides that, he was awarded for his prosperity and is well known. In 24 November of 1960, my mother was born. After she grew up, she met a canteen seller, which is my father. They both get married in 21st of July 1985. At the same year, my eldest brother was born, which is on 25th of December. 5 years later, they was handling the business of logging, which the company named APK Sedia Berhad. My parents wanted to develop even more and decided to start a palm oil business. In 1993, they started the palm oil business and the name of the company is Nakapon Sedia Berhad. The plantation business is still running until today, but unfortunately, the logging business was closed due to the reasons of world economic crisis in 1997. In 1995, which is after I was born, my whole family moved to Kota Kinabalu for a better environment to grow up and a better education to study. My family got 6 members, which is my father, mother, 2 elder brothers, and 1 sister. My eldest brother was married in 2008, raised with 3 adorable kids. We all live happily after. Well, that is my family story. Thank you.
Baby needs some protection, but I'm a kid like everyone else.